Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to find the timing marks on Ford Fusion 1.6 engine. If you have the 1.6 turbo or non-turbo engine, that will be guys the video for you. We're demonstrating on a turbo engine, 2015 model, 14-15 model here, and that same engine is being used on Ford Fiesta ST, as you know, Ford Escape, many Ford vehicles. So the first thing that we had to do, we had to remove the drive shaft in our case, okay, because we have to install the Tdc pin on the backside right here. We will show you in a minute, and that's the top dead center pin. So all you have to do, okay, let me go get under the vehicle and show you where to place it now. So you can see this is the open, and this black thing is the Tdc pin, top dead center pin. There is one bolt that you have to remove there, okay, and once you remove the bolt you have to install that Tdc pin, which is longer than the bolt, and you need to turn the engine clockwise, okay, that's the original bolt, and you turn it clockwise until it hits that pin and stops. This is Tdc point, top dead center. After that, okay, you have to install. There is a special tool that you have to remove the starter, install the tool there. It's the one that holds the flywheel, so you can torque down, okay, the crankshaft pulley, because this is a no-pin engine, and as a result, if you do not get the crankshaft pulley tight enough, the belt will slip, you bend the valves, and you're done. You need new engine pretty much. Next step, that plate right here goes on the back side of the camshafts and hold them at a certain position. You cannot install this one wrong. There is a canal, and the plate goes in this canal on both sides. After that, you can see you have that plate pointing up, you have that dot up, and that arrow like a line pointing up as well. So that will be guys all. Again, after you install the crankshaft, you're ready to install the crankshaft pulley, you need to align it with these two so your timing is not off for the crankshaft position sensor. Pretty simple procedure guys, but you need some special tools and quite a bit of disassembly. So thank you for watching, please subscribe guys, it will mean a lot to us, and see you next time.